The alarming truth. Disengaged employees can cost a 50-employee organization nearly $1 million annually. Let's break down the numbers. Disengaged employees are 21% less productive. This means for 50 employees, that is $735,000 per year in lost productivity and $250,000 in staff turnover. This brings the total employee disengagement costs to $985,000. The solution? Just 1 hour per month of interactive engagement results in 40% lower employee turnover, saving $100,000, 21% productivity gains, recovering $154,350 for a total annualized saving of $254,350 per annum. Then, compound these benefits with 25% additional revenue growth, all for just $28 per employee monthly, or only $336 per employee yearly, delivering 1,500% ROI or $5,000 annual return per employee. Why our solution works. Professional hosts deliver stress-free engagement, research-backed formats, trivia, game shows, and bingo that teams love. Create lasting connections and bring teams closer together. This isn't just fun, it's financial wisdom. If saving thousands while boosting morale makes sense for your business, then visit www.timeoutgroup.com.au/engagement to book your 15-minute demo.